the International Center for Culinary Arts, ICCA Dubai, a Center for Excellence in Culinary Training. Well, scholarship is a long story. It was actually a vision that we had seen along with Chef Uwe Michiel and Chef Andy Cuthbert. There was a definite need for something like this.
People get into the industry at a young age because they need to earn a living, and they probably come from families who cannot afford to put them through a formal education.
We brought our heads together and we said, what can we do to actually help keep fueling the industry and also provide more opportunities to more learners? That's where the thought and the idea of the scholarship program was born from.
So the scholarship program that ICCA has put together is specially designed for those who work in the industry and are underprivileged and cannot afford to do this program on their own.
When we had the opportunity to form this relationship with ICCA School, it was something that we jumped on, both personally and professionally, to actually do something that was close to our heart. And it's all about just helping and developing the young people that we work with and making it better for them. And the whole point of the scholarship is to give them a certificate. And that's where it was important for the link up with an international accredited provider such as City and Guilds.
We needed also someone who is known and accepted in different parts of the world. So City and Guild is known and accepted everywhere. So it's an international education provider which helps us to achieve what we want.
It's a teamwork of all the stakeholders, that's the industry, the training providers, the accrediting bodies, the chefs as well. So it's actually a teamwork of all initiatives and efforts for all people put together to make something come alive at scale and standards which is truly world-class, so to say.
It's nice to see how they apply what we're teaching them here at the school back in the industry. Everything that they do here or that we train them at the school, they're already put into immediate practice when they go back to work.
It's really giving them this opportunity to develop himself. And in 1 year, what you gain is phenomenal. You gain faster than a normal than other employee.
While doing the program, I was promoted twice. Promoted from Commie 3 to Commie 2 to Commie 1. And just recently, I just got promoted as Dem Chef de Partie in my hotel.
Without learning, you will never move forward anywhere, right? So it gives back to the people, and the staff itself will appreciate it. And then obviously will also stay longer with your company, and obviously while they're staying longer and having obviously the expertise, the standard obviously will be much better as well.
City and Guilds and the scholarship program is not just a career path, it's a ticket to the rest of the world.
Because it's not only giving you a scholarship, it's just also support you in a way, you know, in your career and everything.
We do something important to build my future.